Founded in 2007, Wenzhou Zhengbang Electronic Equipment has been dedicated to the development and manufacturing of advanced machines for PCB assembly. With a strong foundation in research and innovation, Zhengbang has evolved into a leading provider of full-line SMT and THT solutions, offering a broad portfolio of high-quality, high-performance equipment tailored to meet the dynamic demands of the electronics manufacturing industry. Our product lineup includes precision pick-and-place machines, solder paste printers, automatic optical inspection, HUAQI systems, X-ray inspection equipment, reliable SMT reflow ovens, along with a full suite of PCB support tooling and handling systems. These solutions are designed to deliver exceptional accuracy, stability, and operational efficiency across a wide range of production environments, from small-scale prototyping to high-volume manufacturing lines. With a commitment to excellence, Zhengbang has received numerous prestigious industry awards recognizing our contributions to innovation, technological leadership, and customer satisfaction. These accolades highlight our dedication to continuous improvement, rigorous quality control, and long-term investment in global service and support infrastructure. Zhengbang proudly serves customers across Asia, Europe, the Americas, and other key regions, offering localized support and customized manufacturing solutions. Through close collaboration with clients and partners, we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in PCB assembly technology. As we move forward, Zhengbang remains focused on empowering manufacturers worldwide by delivering smart, flexible, and future-ready solutions that drive higher productivity, lower costs, and improved product quality.